how can you learn Ndebele? How can you go about learning isiNdebele? It's simple. You need to use the language. So I always say it and I'll say it again. If you don't use the language, you'll forget it, right? So whether you are learning from our YouTube channel, so many videos that are in the channel, or you're following here on Instagram, or you're joining a class, right? Our online classes, our physical classes, pre-recorded courses, whichever approach you're taking, you then need to use the language in addition to all that, right? So it means finding someone in your circle, your relative, your friend, whoever you can find, a colleague, right? Your spouse, your partner. These are the people that you need to take advantage of. These are the people that you need to appreciate in your circle and talk to them in the language. All right. Another thing, you need to be a bit persistent, because this is what happens when people feel like you're struggling with the language. They'll probably want to switch back to English or Shona or whatever other language that you guys normally use. But if you have said that I want to learn isiNdebele, ask them mana kancane, mana. Don't rush this. When they're there saying they want to switch back to the other language, just ask them, mana kancane. Okay, I will find my words. I will find my Ndebele words. And when you find them, you'll be so happy, because that's the process. At first, the words are there, but they don't come so quickly when you want to use them. But the more you ask the people to be patient with you, the people that you're practicing with, and the easier, the quicker it becomes. Before you know it, you are now speaking, you're not stammering much, you're flowing. Yes, Ndebele.